Hey, what's going on, everyone? My name is Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another What's Sold video for you today. It is Friday, and we're going to start pulling What's Sold for us today.
I did want to first thank Phyllis for buying us a coffee, and she said thanks for the video on the kids' shoes and boots. She wrote it all down. So
awesome.
Hopefully you find some of those brands in the thrift.
Yeah.
She's referring to like one of the...
It's a bit of an older video for sure, yeah.
So maybe Chris can link it, but yeah, it's just... I used to do a lot more clothes and kid clothes and shoes, and that was one of the videos that we made a while back, so...
Still relevant though. A lot of the brands are.
I would still buy all the brands that I mentioned in that video. So, I forgot. So it came out of our PO box yesterday when we did the other video. But this got stuck in the bottom of the whole case, so I forgot about it until today when I found it. And I think it's a viewer. Again, because it says Ginger Marvin.
Yeah.
So let's see what's in there. And it looks like it doesn't really say the name. So, but it looks like it came from Canada.
Oh.
So, some shoelaces. Somebody I feel like said that they were going to send some shoelaces. When we mentioned like not having laces a while back or something.
Okay.
Let's see. Our kids are going in and out. If you're hearing a door shut or a walkie-talkie sound.
It's Friday, but they don't have school today, so they're downstairs hanging out with their buddies.
This is Serendipity by Melody.
Oh, okay.
Melanie, sorry. Just to thank you for all the work you both do to help your community. Hope you are filled with an endless supply of shoelaces. Could not resist saying some. Thank you so much.
Awesome, Melanie.
Yeah, these are definitely going to come in handy.
Thank you so much. And I know you joined us for our live last night. We saw you there. You were hanging out. I think you even gave us a super chat. So thank you so much for all the amazing support. We do appreciate it. And we will definitely put those shoelaces to use.
Yeah. All right, so let's jump into some sales. First box is BU. This is a Reebok but Pittsburgh Penguins hoodie. I don't normally pick up sports stuff, so I don't really know why I decided to pick that up. I think it was just in like perfect condition. So I grabbed it for $6.99. I think I figured I could get 25 to 30 bucks, which I did. I got $26.66 plus shipping, and that was just after a few days of being listed. Well, not really a few days, just like I feel like just over a week though. It has not been listed for super long. That is going priority mail, padded flat rate.
And as you might hear in the background, our kids are home from school today. It is a Friday, which they're not normally home. So I've been downstairs working on the floor all day. Kathy's been up here grinding away, and
slowly
the kids are just being kids.
These are some kids Columbia rain pants. I actually just listed these yesterday and they sold right away. I normally get around $20 plus shipping for these, but they were in a little bit worse condition than I thought they were when I bought them. I did pay $2.99 for these. Sold them for $13.31 plus shipping, so it's still about almost a $10 profit there, so still good.
Okay.
They sold in a day, so that's good.
Yeah.
And we'll ship those out in a Dino mailer. All right, CK, this is a viewer sale. This is going out to Cassandra. This is a Billie Eilish, right?
I think it is Eilish, okay. Yeah. Eilish. I don't know.
Anyways, yeah, we're not cool people, but I knew that she was popular, so when I saw this t-shirt, I just grabbed it. I did pay $3.99 for it, and Cassandra bought it from us for $16 plus shipping on eBay, so thank you, Cassandra.
Thank you so much for that support, Cassandra. And that's like a tour tee, right? It's got like dates on the back.
Yeah, it's from 2019, so
right.
I'm going to put that in a happy smiley mailer. Thank you again.
Yeah.
All right, box S. Did Reese leave us?
Yeah, I think he snuck out.
He doesn't like think the kids are going to like split him out or something. All right, these are some Harry Potter kids bands. I actually bought these for my son, but his feet were a little too chubby for them. So, I don't know. We cannot wear like slip-on bands for some reason. But they're adorable. I did buy them off Kitism for $28, and since he didn't fit them, I just wanted to kind of break even or close to it. I ended up selling them for $38 plus shipping on Mercari, but I'm still only close to breaking even after fees and everything.
Yeah.
So I'm happy with that. It did take a long time because I listed them so high though. Like I think they've been listed over a year. And those are first class. I don't know why, but I feel like they're heavier. Only 13 ounces.
Okay.
Not that I could do anything about it at this point, but I was like, uh-oh. So we'll do a smiley mailer on those. All right. Yeah, on Mercari, you can't really change the label after they purchase other than canceling it and having them repurchase, so.
And that has to be, like, the buyer has to repurchase.
Right, so I would never do that.
Yeah.
I would probably just take like, you're going to get an extra charge on your label, which would be your fault for putting the wrong label in the first place, so. All right, these are some UGG men's slippers. These are actually a size 16, so I almost didn't buy them at first because I was like, I don't know if that size is going to sell well. It's probably going to sit a long time, but actually they sold in just a few days, literally just a few days. I did pay $10.99 for them at Goodwill, and I listed them at $79, and I got an offer of $65, so very happy with that.
Wow.
Yeah. So they were in like super good shape. The only like flaw at all was only just like a little bit of suede wear, but these soles are like, they don't look like they've been worn outside.
Right.
Cool. So those are so long. I'm trying to think what box might be good.
You don't think a shoebox?
Maybe a shoebox. Let's see. Do you think they're too tall?
I don't think so. Is it?
Basically just fittings.
Yeah, it fits in there.
So cool.
And look who decided to come back.
Did you get bored? So that was, Poshmark. All right, BA. This is something Chris photographed for me recently, because I never probably would have. This is that Pentax camera where we're not sure if it works or not. I mean, it probably does. It's in really good shape.
Yeah.
It just needs a battery, but a battery we were going to buy, but it was $12, so we didn't really want to do that. So
We would not have got the money back from selling it with the battery. You know what I mean?
They were still selling untested as is for 20 or 30 bucks.
Yeah.
So we listed ours at I think 35 maybe, and got an offer of 20 on Poshmark. So I accepted. Hopefully no issues come out of that. We did get this at a garage sale for only 24 cents, like as a fill bag thing. So worst case, we're just like, just keep it,
But, I mean, you listed it as untested as is, so there really shouldn't be any issue.
And honestly, I mean, the bag alone has value.
Yeah.
It still has the manual in it, and so hopefully they can just put a battery in and use it.
Yeah.
Or maybe they just need a part from it. So either way, we got 20 bucks for that. So after Poshmark fee 16, so more than a $15 profit. I'm happy with that.
Yeah, and what, like 35 cents invested?
Yeah, 24 cents.
24 cents.
Yeah, that was
I was way off.
a good fill bag. We'll just put that in a regional A box. All right, we have another viewer sale going out to Shannon. Just listed this yesterday, and she actually said she saw it on our table and was been waiting for us to list it. So
awesome.
It's at Under Armour Notre Dame.
Notre Dame. I think both are acceptable, but I'm not sure. We're not into sports or college ball or anything like that.
Or saying words correctly.
Or saying anything. Yeah.
So Shannon, I listed this I think at $19.95 maybe plus ship, and I had a watcher not knowing it was Shannon, and then I sent an offer of $15 plus shipping. And she accepted. So thank you so much, Shannon. I did have $2 into the shirt, so I was trying to make my $10 profit.
Yeah, Shannon, thank you so much for that support.
Put that in one of these florals. Right. Box K. Oh, this is the one that came in last night when we were on our live. So if you were there, you already know.
And if you were there, you saw our computer crashed like 4 times.
So sorry about that.
It was a difficult live last night and made me realize we're going to have to do something about the computer, and maybe get a new one. I don't know, but
Yeah.
we're.
I'm just look. They're like moving their trampoline.
Oh. So our neighbors.
So that's Connor's little friend.
Yeah. Our neighbors' friends moved from like on the side, the corner over there, and they're moving just across the street over there. So they're just walking there. That's funny. Not something you see every day.
All right. So yeah, these are those Skechers. These like older Skechers in the platform, chunky, like the super heavy duty ones.
Yeah.
Are selling anywhere from like 50 to like 150, I'd say. Just depends on the style. These ones I saw exact comps on eBay in the 60 to 70 range. So I listed mine at 79, got an offer of 60 and was happy to accept. I paid $9.99 for them, so a really good sale.
Very nice.
Put those in a regional B box.
And there was many people that were at the live that said they were getting sales during the live. So,
So you gotta come.
you got to come so you can get some more sales. That's what. Yeah. That's how it works here in Ginger Marvin world.
I mean, I always make sales during Monday live. All right. I'm very happy these sold. So these aren't Third Love, but these are those motherhood bras where I just randomly got them because they were both the same size and both new at Tag. And they're like the nursing bras, so I knew they'd sell. I wasn't sure for how much. Honestly, comps weren't super great on them, but they are new at Tag. I mean,
And you bundle them
felt
together.
Like, yeah, I felt like $20 a bra or so plus shipping would be what I'd get, and that's what I got. So I paid $5.99 each for them. Sold them on Facebook for $40 plus shipping.
Very nice.
Yeah, and those.
And those were new, you said, right?
Yeah, they're
new.
new.
Without tag. Or even with, I think I saw a tag on
Yeah,
them.
there's tags. I mean, obviously these are, I know they're under a pound because I've already weighed them, but I'm trying to remember if I gave myself enough room for a box. I think it's enough room for a box. So
8.9, you got a first class, right?
yeah, they have
So under, as long as it's under a
15.9
pound.
ounce label, yeah. So I'll find a box in the closet for those, hopefully. All right, CJ. These are some men's Under Armour golf pants. I have $4 into them. They sold on Poshmark for $28 with discount shipping. So really good sale.
Yeah.
Those sold fast. Yeah, the Under Armour golf pants usually do sell fast. Put those in a
Tyvek.
mailer. Yep. So AT. And if you guys didn't see, Poshmark switched back their search.
Yeah.
function,
I'm
so-
sure everybody's happy about that one.
Anyways, these are some Bowden Flare jeans that sold on eBay for $25 plus shipping. I think we're gonna have to refold these because I printed a padded flat rate envelope, which I know they'll fit because like men's size like 40, even 44 jeans fit in a padded flat rate, so they should definitely fit, but they're kind of folded weird right now. But yeah, those I had $6.99 into. They did take a little bit to sell. I know flare jeans are supposedly coming back in. I don't know.
Okay.
So, judging by how long that took to sell, I wouldn't say they were in or that just wasn't a good style of flare jean, but I would still probably pick it up again because it was a nice pair of jeans. Alright, sold the Cabana Life swim set. Only 3 more left. This one sold for $31 with discount shipping, and I have $10 into these.
Nice.
Yeah. So let's do a regional A box. Mostly because I would do a Tyvek, but I just saw I use the last one for that. Alright, and lastly, AB. Reese.
He just got out of his bed.
You were yesterday say we need to move these boxes.
Come here, Reese.
Is that your spot? Huh? Is that your spot? Can I go in your spot? Where's Daddy? Can you go get him? Go get Daddy. Who's out there? Go get him. Look at that kid playing on the trampoline. Look, go.
All right, Reese, come on.
Dude,
Come on.
Oh,
Good
wait.
boy. Oh, my goodness.
I thought it was BB, but it's AB. So it's just this box right here. I'm sorry, dude.
Reese. You good boy.
I'm sorry, man. Alright, these are a pair of Nike, just men's basketball shorts. I did pay $6.99 for these, thinking I could get 25 to 30. And had I not missed this flaw, I probably could have. There's just like a green stain. It looks like almost like a marker. It's wiped through as well. So because of that, I accepted a $20 offer, but still about my $10 profit. So I'm still happy. right, that will go in the house
Very
mailer.
nice. Reese, you can go back to your spot if you want.
See if I made any sales. Nope.
No more sales. Well, we'll go ahead and get this stuff all packed up, and then we'll check back in with you guys. Thanks for all the help, Reese Bear. Got it all packed up, ready to go.
Yeah.
No more sales came in, right? It's okay. It's okay. This is a good day. It's a good day. Yeah. Anything else you want to say about this good day?
No.
We are going to cut it here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We're going to get this stuff off to the post office, check on our boys, make sure they're still alive, and that's going to do it. So thank you so much for watching. We appreciate the viewer support today, guys. Thank you very much for that, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.